report finds that the allegations are substantiated, the House is required to afford the Cabinet Secretary an opportunity to be heard and a vote whether to approve this resolution requiring dismissal of the Cabinet Secretary. Pursuant to Article 152(10) of the Constitution, a resolution requiring the President to dismiss a Cabinet Secretary must be supported by a majority of the members of the National Assembly, which is 175 members. A resolution that achieves the required support must be promptly delivered to the President and is bound to dismiss the Cabinet Secretary in question upon receipt. That the Clerk is hereby directed to publish the special motion for the dismissal of the Cabinet Secretary for Agriculture and Livestock Department in the order paper for Thursday, 2nd May 2024, in the manner contemplated under Standing Order 66.3, for consideration by the House during the morning sitting of that day, which has been agreed upon by the House Business Committee.
I beg to give notice of the following special motion for removal of Honorable Franklin Mithika Linturi, EGH, Cabinet Secretary for Agriculture and Livestock Development on the following grounds. 1. Gross violation of provisions of the Constitution or any other law. 2. That there are serious reasons believing that the Cabinet Secretary has committed a crime under national law. 3. Gross misconduct. This is in relation to the approval of the procurement and distribution of fake fertilizer by the National Cereals and Produce Board.